Hello everyone, I'm really excited right now because I just got a delivery of some live plants and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys of these particular plants. Now it's February and my husband and I are planting a food forest on our property. We have about 3.5 acres out behind our house that we're going to plant up. Part in lavender, which is going to be a cash crop for us, and then part in food forest. Now in February we thought we'd do kind of a fun thing with our YouTube channel where for every new subscriber we get to Wildwood and Lavender Farm YouTube channel, we will plant a fruit tree or a nut tree or a rhubarb plant or a berry bush or some other kind of edible or otherwise beneficial plant in our food forest. So right now I think we're at about 10 new subscribers, so that's really awesome. I really thank you guys for sharing our videos, and to those of you who have just now subscribed. And we ask that you share some more. Share it to anybody you think that might be interested in watching us as we grow our food forest. As we get new subscribers, we'll be getting more plants. I already have some plants from before that I brought over or have already purchased. This is another one of those purchases which we're going to add into our food forest. So I can't wait to see what condition they're in, what they're like. So this I bought from Plant Me Green Nurseries. So I have an info sheet on here, but let's just go ahead and start opening these up. These boxes that have the huge staples on them. Those are always so fun to open. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open it this way. It's a tall box, about 3.5 feet tall, 4 feet tall. Alright, we have an invoice here. Shipping paper anyway. Just talking about what I ordered. Agricultural information. Alright. I'll tell you what these plants are in just a minute. But wow, that comes packaged really nicely. It's got a bamboo stick in here to help give support to the trunk. And then this great green, sorry I keep getting the light up above, this great green bag around the pot that it comes in. It says, notice, remove this plastic bag before planting. They actually have people that will plant it in the plastic bag. They must have it. They have to have labels like that on their bags. Alright, there's a zip tie on here. Now I'm kind of glad that it comes potted in dirt because it's definitely not ready to plant outside since we're under about 12 inches of snow right now. And I don't want to have to try to find a pot and some dirt. I have some, but just the hassle of going out to the greenhouse or bringing the dirt inside to deal with it. So a nice tall pot here. Sorry, it's really tall. It keeps hitting the ceiling. So some mulch covering the soil to help keep it damp. And there we go. It looks really good. Keeps hitting the ceiling. So I got 2 of these. They're exactly the same. Yeah, hey, done. Putting it on the ground. Thank you. They're both the same. They're both good condition. Both alive. You can tell it's green wood and not dead wood. So that's really cool. Nice packaging there. So these plants that I've ordered are pecan trees, and they have a hardiness zone of 7 to 10, which in where I am, it's we're a zone 7A, sometimes 6B, depending on the year. Some years we don't get as hot, some years we get a lot colder. So, but typically zone 7. So we should be okay with pecan trees here. They like deep, moist, and well-drained soil. So I got this for our food forest. It's going to be actually one of the canopy layer, one of the higher layers. They get to, oh, I got some dirt on it. They get to 75 to 100 feet tall. And they need chill hours, 300 to 500 chill hours. I think we can supply that. So anyway, this is actually a dual crop tree. So it is going to give us pecans, but its roots have also been inoculated with truffle spores. And let's see if it says something about the kind of truffle spore. Thought I printed it off. Here we go. So it has been inoculated with a white truffle spore, making it a dual-purpose tree. The truffle spores that are inoculated within our seedlings are T. lyonii, a truffle that can be grown in the U.S. It's considered to be a white truffle, but very different from truffles found in Europe. It's a unique fungus with a texture and flavor of its own. It should be noted, however, that truffles can be mistaken for other fungi, so it is essential that harvesters carefully study truffles before consuming them. Truffle pecans are perfect for any homeowner interested in trying the earthy flavor of the truffle, while still receiving the delicious nuts of the pecan tree. So truffles are a type of fungus among us. Truffles are a type of fungus that grows on the roots of various trees that are inoculated. Sometimes they grow in wild. These have been inoculated in a lab. And they have kind of a what's the word I'm looking for? Symbiotic relationship with the trees. They help give the trees some food, and the tree, of course, feeds the fungi with its nutrients and its roots and whatnot. So the pecans are a crop that you can harvest in the fall, and then the fungus, the truffles, actually produce in January or February. So it's a winter crop, and I'm really excited to be able to try growing these. Hopefully it will work out. Yeah, so I'm really excited to have these trees to join all of the other plants that we already have, to be planted in honor of the subscribers we get in February. And I've also decided we're going to plant plants for all of the subscribers that we had even before the February subscriber event. So a plant for each of you. I'm really excited, and I can't wait to get planting. So I hope that you'll subscribe if you already haven't, and follow along as we start to grow our food forest and start producing as much of our own food as we can. So hit like, subscribe, and follow along on our story.